Hello, members of the Van Horn Hive. This is the communication for the week of September 4th. Remember, we empower all with a successful today for a better tomorrow. Some updates. This week we will begin our interim data dive and backwards mapping. Some grade levels had rubrics and hand scoring. If you have not completed this, that is okay. We will do it during this week's data meetings. We will be meeting in C1. Please bring a device and the student work from the interims. The schedule is as followed. 2nd grade and 1st grade on September 4th, kindergarten and 5th grade on September 5th, 6th grade on September 6th, and 3rd and 4th grades on September 7th. We will also have back to school night on Thursday, September 6th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. I will give a brief presentation to parents at 5:30 in the NPR, and that will be followed by a parent club presentation and parent club drive. Teachers need to report to their classrooms no later than 5:50 p.m. I will ask that doors open for the first round at 6 p.m. The bell rings for a passing period at 6:25, and the second round will begin at 6:30. I will ring a bell at 6:55 to conclude back to school night, and doors and gates will close no later than 7 p.m. Some other information. I've created a school-wide remind system for parents. I will have notices photocopied for you, and I'd like you to include those in your back to school night packet and mention it in your presentation. Those notices will be in your boxes no later than Wednesday. I've also created a Van Horn Twitter account. Please share our Twitter handle with your parents and follow it as well. It is at Van Horn Empower. Some reminders. ELD should begin in your classrooms this week. I am still going to offer to time card for 1 hour if you meet with either Mrs. Smith or Mr. Haycock this week. This will be your last opportunity to time card for ELD. September, we will continue the focus on lining up and in the hallways from the PBIS matrix. Please review the expectations for this area daily and continue to practice and reinforce positive behavior. Bathrooms. Our intermediate bathrooms looked amazing this week. Thank you to the 4th through 6th graders for enforcing the no bathroom during instructional time policy. If you see a student in these bathrooms during instructional time, please direct him or her to the office bathroom. Also, make sure your students have hall passes if they're out of class during instructional time. If they do not have a hall pass, we are sending them back to class. Also, include this policy in your subplans. All right, shout outs. A big thank you to Miss Heinley, Miss Rainey, Miss Kane, Mrs. Pelletier, Mrs. Britton, Mrs. Fulton, and Mrs. Taylor, along with Miss Feldaz, for accommodating new students as the 1-2 combo has dissolved. This is allowing us to keep our Van Horn students here at Van Horn. A big thank you to Mrs. Eubanks, Mrs. Bruce, and Mrs. Gonzalez for winning Spirit Day on Friday. Also a shout out to Mrs. Cortez, Mrs. Paletta, and Ms. Taylor, for a noticeable difference in straight, quiet lines while walking through the hallways. Also, thank you to Mrs. Smith, Mrs. Bruce, and Mr. Haycock for attending Illuminate training last week. They are available from here on out to assist you. Also, thank you to Mrs. Horg and Mrs. Borges for organizing the after-school volleyball team. Thank you to Mr. Haycock for finding a boys volleyball coach. Boys football coach. Please welcome Mr. Rios to Van Horn. A final thank you to all educators for finishing the interim 1 for ELA and math. Woohoo! All right, that's it for this week's communication. Please remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction for ELA and math, data analysis and backwards mapping, and PBIS with the school-wide matrix. Have a great week.